how to stabilize video in InShot. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you stabilize the video in InShot. So let's get started on this process. At first you will have to open InShot app. Alright, so after you open the app you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on this video option. Alright, so from here you'll have to choose the video. Alright, so simply after here you'll have to tap on this done option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here at the bottom you'll have to swipe right and go the option like speed, so simply tap on it. And now from here tap on curve. Okay, so from here you can easily stabilize your video by curving from here. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.